Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly pound yen, I'm still looking at this as an A. I think this is an ABC of wave B. I still think we're in a wave C, and I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I think eventually we're going to have to make a bigger correction for the wave 4, and then one more push up for a wave 5 just to finish off this wave C, and we are on the monthly time frame. So I mean, you got to think about how long something like that will take. Probably pretty much all year, if not longer. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still actually think this is all just a subdivision of the wave three. I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3. This does kind of look like it could be a 3 of 3, a 4 of 3, and then a 5 of 3. I still don't even see that it's over yet, but if it does have some sort of a break of structure like that, especially on shorter time frames, then I would say that the wave three is over. But I do not see that yet, and I still think there's a possibility that it could take out the previous high, ending up like this before it actually does make that bigger wave four. So until these higher time frames prove to me that it is going down, which it definitely hasn't done so yet, I'm definitely bullish. Going down to the daily, I mean, yeah, we definitely made a pretty impulsive move out down, but has it broken any structure? Definitely not. It definitely made an engulfing move to the downside, but we do not have a lower high. We do not have a structure break. I would definitely be looking at this move down as possibly just a correction to this last move up, and I would for sure still be looking for longs at shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. Like I said on the daily, I mean, this could just be a correction to this last move. We had a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern right there. We had a nice break of structure. So I would be looking at this move down as possibly a correction. So if we do get a Fibonacci bounce, and if we do get a nice engulfing move to the upside, then I would definitely take it as a long again. Like I said, I do believe that we're still in a wave three, and I do not see any evidence that the wave three is over yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it does look like we possibly may be getting the end of a correction. I mean, it looks like impulsive down. It looks like 3 waves up. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So if it does go up and break the high of wave 4 of C, then that pretty much confirms to me that the wave C is over. Now, you could already be long on this, but it's not really going to be confirmed that the wave C is over until it breaks this structure right here. Once it breaks that structure, it's probably going to make a pullback, and then it'll most likely just continue the uptrend. So, like I said, you could already be long on this pretty easily, but you do have to be careful. If it makes a lower high, it could just keep on going down. It's not really confirmed to be over until it breaks the high of wave 4, and then the pullback is probably where I would be looking to get in for the continuation of the uptrend, which at that point would most likely be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.